Well, I was camping in the Uintas last week. The first night, I set up my Klymit Air Mattress, inflated it, and just a little bit later I realized it had gone flat. So I must have a leak in this thing. I'm going to see if I can find the leak, and then once I've found it, see if I can patch it. I'll start by inflating it. Then I'll put some water on it and see if I can find some bubbles. First, I'm going to see if I can hear anything at all. Is anything bubbling? Aha! The leak. The leak is right here. This is top ridge. There it is. Beautiful. Right there. There's the pad. It looks dry to me. So next I'm going to take it inside, put it on the table, and see if I can apply the patch. Oh, I also have to let the air out of it. The Klymit, the holding bag, has this flap in it, and inside the flap there's a repair kit. So I'll take a look at that. I've never used it. Here's this black patch for the underside. That's the side I need. Shiny side, we'll put the glue on the shiny side and stick it there. And this is the green side for the other side if they were holding that. But I don't need that. I don't need this side, so I'll put it away. And here's a tube of glue, which looks like it's been used before. I'm going to take a look at that. No. The tube has never been punctured. So I'll try to get some glue out of that tube. I'm going to cut this in half. I'm going to use half of this patch. Alright, so there's my half patch. Here's my half patch. Well, this tube is dry. Can't use it. So I ran to the hardware store and I found this package of super glue, single-use ones. So I'll use one of them and then I'll put one of the others back in that emergency pouch in the cover, so that I have one for later. So here we go. I'm going to put some super glue on this and see what happens. So this little green thing must be an applicator. It's coming out like crazy. Too much, way too much. Anyway, I'll get some of this on here and then I'll move it around with that applicator. Now let's see if I can get this in the right spot. Over here, this is where we were having the problem. So we'll put it right on there. Get on, get on, get on, get on. Now we'll inflate this pad, leave it there for a while, see if it holds. I'll leave for about an hour. I'll come back and get on it again. See if it still feels as comfy or if it started to deflate. Over an hour's gone by. I feel comfortable on this hard table. I think this Klymit Static V is holding air. I'd never patched an air mattress before. This is the first time. It's great to feel success. And it's great to have my Static V back. Looking forward to using it at another outing.